Oh, you gotta stop missing my videos. Here's what happened. I made a sexy museum-worthy piece of art inspired by this Moschino dress, and it was quite the process. I hand-painted the gorgeous body of the dress, carved custom frames out of solid gold, and enlisted the help of a local queen to take some of the most stunning photos on the internet. Anyway, that's what you missed on my channel. I am really not vibing with this. Hello everyone and welcome to my impromptu makeup tutorial. This totally wasn't on the schedule at all, but I just wasn't really vibing with my idea for my video, so I decided to just do a makeup tutorial. It's a bit of a gloomy day outside. I've been feeling kind of stagnant and stuck. I decided today would be a perfect time to just kind of play around, try some new things, look sexy. Our look is inspired by Catwoman Michelle Pfeiffer. Let's get into it. Lately, I have been getting really into skincare, and by really into skincare, I mean, you know, like the bare minimum. Before I start my makeup, I like to just clean my face off using a little bit of toner. I feel fresher already. Then, as always, I'm going in with a little bit of my e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. A little bit. Ugh. Now onto the eyebrows. I am not really in a rush today. I'm just here with some friends. So what kind of things have you guys been into lately? Not great brow coverage over here, but I'm okay with it. This is once again the Revlon Full Coverage Foundation. Okay, that was a lot. I don't really like switching up products. I feel like if I have ones that are good, then I'm gonna keep using them. Beige Rainbow. Bring just a little bit down onto the cheeks. I go with that, then I'm gonna do my nose. I'm always on the hunt for the perfect nose contour. Will I ever get there? Click that notification bell to find out. I'm using my contour color to do my brows because I want a very light brow. I still want the brows to be visible, but I don't want them to be like statement brows. I always tell myself I'm not gonna like freak out and be a perfectionist on my brows, and then I proceed to immediately spend way too much time on them. But we're gonna call it good. Alright, now we are ready to powder the face. I always powder my nose and the center of my forehead with Makeup Revolution white powder. And for the rest of my face, I'm using Maybelline Super Set Me Good to Go powder. Dust her away. For contour, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. contour palette. Just use circular motions where I put that cream contour color. Get that nose. I hit under my jawline. Now I'm using my same brush. I dusted it off a little bit. I'm going in with Maybelline Fit Me blush in pink. This look, I really wanted it to be pretty neutral, so I'm not doing a super intense blush. Okay, I feel like this nose contour is kind of going off. I'm using my same LA Girl Pro Conceal as a eyeshadow primer and to clean up the underside of my brow. I like to live on the edge. So this look is really fun because we're only going to be using one, count 'em one, just one eyeshadow color for this look. I'm going to start by packing black on. I'm packing it on and I'm following the natural line that my brow bone makes. And then I'm also going to start sketching out the under eye. Do I look bad? You don't have anything on your face. You're right. Why do you look bad? I've got just a fluffy blending brush and I'm throw my black shadow on there, and I'm just gonna ever so lightly do small circles to blend the black out, to diffuse it, to make it smoky. I feel like lately I've just kind of been feeling this societal pressure to make my makeup smaller, and I love when it's big, so I'm trying to re-embrace that aspect of my makeup. To cut my crease, I'm going in with this new concealer that I'm trying. Wow! To cut my crease, I'm following once again the hollow of my eye, tracing out that original line of shadow that we did. I'm gonna pack that Makeup Revolution white powder onto my lid to set it. We have reached the exciting part, the reason you're all here, the graphic liner. Oh, it's like stressful because you don't want to mess up. So I start up in this top corner, swipe her down, then I come up back up here and bring her in to connect with the crease all the way down here and follow. Yep, and then drag from the center of the eye along the lash line, curve it to our top line. Alright, for the bottom, kind of low down here, come up at an angle, and then once you get to the waterline, pull out. Hey, that was pretty good. I'm doing good. Fill it in. I'm gonna get that black fluffy blending brush again and my black shadow and just kind of smoke out that bottom a little bit. Black shadow is such a risky game to play. You have to be so careful with it. One wrong turn and yikes. Now we're gonna do the graphic part. So I just did one side and now I have to try and make this one match. I really just went in with my eyeliner and just kind of mapped out some spikes. Let me tell you, this is stressful, intimidating work. And I am not even doing the best job of it. Like Venom from Spider-Man, maybe a little bit of Maleficent Thorns. Using it just like a marker to draw these spikes. For the bottom, I was just kind of thinking like long, maybe even eyelashes, maybe kind of a spider webby look. Work. This is fierce. Just because I'm thinking about it, I'm gonna go ahead and go in and add all of my beauty marks. What next? I'm gonna add some white underneath my eyes. Carefully set this. Let's just add some black mascara to those lashes so we don't forget. So just those two little lines. Two little lines. Let's do some lips. Using a Maybelline Superstay liquid lipstick. Set my lips with some Maybelline Fit Me powder. To further contour my lips, I'm just taking a kind of, I don't know, neutral brown color, defining the outer corners of my lips. Looking good. All right, I think we are ready for shimmer. I've got my trusty Wet n Wild, and then cheeks, chin, and then above the eyebrows. Then I'm gonna give myself another spritz of the spray. Somebody just gave this to me, really crushed up. Just put so much. Maybe put a little bit of this. I'm excited about this makeup. I had a lot of fun doing it. I'm just putting some lash glue on my lashes. I'm like so impatient for this lash glue to dry. I had to keep this filter on because that just really makes me feel my total fantasy. I hope you enjoyed this look. I've just accessorized it with this belt I got from a thrift store. And then this little Catwoman inspired get-up that I made out of a prom dress that somebody had given to me they didn't want anymore. So yes, sustainability, yes, recycling, yes, me being sexy. Bye! LMAO, maybe next time.